In this video, I'm going to be providing you with one simple fix for Fall Guys. So if you're launching Fall Guys and you're getting stuck on a black screen with a cursor being displayed, this is the fix for you. Now, that typically means your computer does not have the specifications to actually run this game on the highest settings. So I'm going to provide a fix that might assist you with this issue. So first things first, whenever you're launching Fall Guys, you'd need to have the Epic Games client opened in the background, so you need to have this opened. But for now, let's go to settings and you'd need to search for game mode. So you'd need to search for game mode, and as you can see down here, we have the option that says game mode settings. Now select game mode settings, and as you can see, we could adjust a few settings here. So let's click on graphics settings, and for this it would be set on desktop app. Now select browse, and it is going to ask you to locate a file or executable file. So what I want you to do is to navigate to your C drive. Then you'd need to go to program files. Then you'd need to locate Epic Games. Now this is where the Fall Guys folder is located. Enter the Fall Guys folder. So when you're in the Fall Guys folder, you'd need to select this file here, Fall Guys EAC, so Easy Anti-Cheat Launcher. So you need to select that one and add it to the option. So after adding the Fall Guys here, you need to tap on options and select high performance. Now basically this will run the game with a higher performance than what it was before. So select high performance, select save, and you are free to launch Fall Guys, and that would run without any issues or so on. So that is basically the fix for the Fall Guys stuck in on the black screen with the cursor being displayed. So let me know if this helped. I'm going to give a synopsis of the game and what you could do whenever you launch Fall Guys. So I would suggest you turn down the settings because maybe your computer can't run it on such high settings. So I'd suggest you to reduce the settings of the game. So that is it. Let me know if this helped. Thank you for watching. Hacker007 out.